Speed in Agile comes also from adaptability. Now, many of these words may start to feel a bit interchangeable, adaptability, nimbleness, and so on, but we need to approach them from a slightly different way, potentially. And each of us needs to find the words and the images, the visuals that work for us. One that I like, I've mentioned this before, I'm sure, is this visual of a river. And we are basically the water in the river, and so we are able to move smoothly and adaptably around the things, around the blocks that are in our way. Because if we think we're going to go in a straight line down the middle of the river, let's say we're in a canoe or a raft, if we think we're going to be able to do that, we will come a cropper, we will hit something, and we will very likely not make it to the end successfully. But if we flow with the water, if we flow with the river and let it do what it needs to do, we will then get there faster. This idea that somehow it's taking longer because we're not going in a straight line is wrong, simply because we can't actually do it in a straight line. We can't get there just by following the original plan that was laid out before we knew all of the facts or all of the figures. Recently, I've been playing a lot of chess, and one thing that I have come to find is that you have a plan in your head about what you want to do, and you're going to move this piece here and then that piece there and so on. But of course, you need to react to how the player that you're playing with is responding and what their moves are and what they're doing. And I find it really interesting that a real example of no plan survives contact with the enemy is exactly explained in that. Remember the outcome that we want, focus on the outcome that we're looking for, and then we will take into account all of the changes and circumstances that are in front of us as we're moving, and we will get there faster than if we try and doggedly stay on some course or stay going in a straight line.